Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your study plan with Khan Academy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your study plan with Khan Academy, begin by navigating to the Khan Academy website. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Look for the Subjects menu on the left side of the screen. Click on a subject you want to focus on. After selecting a subject, find the Get Started or Start Learning button. Click on it to explore various topics within that subject. Next, search for Study Plan in the search bar at the top of the page. Select the link that says Study Plan from the search results. You will now see options to customize your study plan. Choose your grade level or the skills you wish to work on. Once you have selected your preferences, click on Create Study Plan. Your personalized study plan will be generated automatically. Review the suggested activities and lessons in your plan. You can adjust your plan by removing or adding specific topics. Now, click on the first activity to start your learning journey. Follow the prompts and complete each task in your study plan. As you progress, track your accomplishments on your dashboard. Feel free to return to your study plan anytime for updates or revisions. Enjoy your study sessions and make the most of the resources available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.